Hello everyone and welcome back to MORGBORG Tech. This is my retro unboxing of the LG KM380, which is my first unlocked LG phone, a real music phone. This thing is my second ever European phone, which is pretty cool for me since I live in the United States. I don't get to see those very often at all. And yeah, this is an unlocked phone with a music player. As you can see here, some tunes. On the side here it shows some features of this phone, including Bluetooth 2.0 and high-speed USB connection. On the back it's the same as what's on the front, except this here shows the cover open, which reveals the keypad. And on this side here shows some basic features, including MP3 and a camera. And on top here is just some barcode information, as well as on the bottom. So with that, let's get into this box. On top here is user's manual. That's a CD. As you can see here, LG KM380. And the user's manual for that disc. Here's the phone. Very nice looking. Set that to the side. Here's the battery, which has never been opened. There we go. Lithium-ion polymer. Interesting. 800 milliamp hours. Looks like the battery from the LG Remark. They're probably identical. Here's some earphones, and I'm not going to take these out of the bag. They connect via the proprietary connector on this phone. Here is a charger. Again, that proprietary plug, and this thing uses the UK connector. And then in here is a USB data cable. I think this would actually come in pretty handy. Okay, so here's the phone and the battery. Just remove the back cover like this and install the battery. There's a SIM card slot on here and a micro SD card slot. So now I'll show you around the phone here. On the front with the cover closed is music controls with a little music button. This is for your tracks. Here's just a standard keypad with directional, menu selection, send, end, and your numbers. Here's your screen, earpiece, LG logo. Here's your proprietary connector and for your headphones. A lot of LG phones use this, including the chocolate that I got in the phone lot. Here's that music button again, it looks like. Here's the power button with a little bit of plastic over it. There we go, that's the power button. On the bottom is nothing. On the left side here is a micro SD card slot, volume controls, and a camera button. On the top is a 3.5mm headphone jack. On the back is your speaker, camera, which is a smart camera, and the back cover with the LG logo. So now let's see if this phone's battery has any juice in it. And yes, it does. Okay, here's the setup. Out of battery. Well, that's interesting. So this phone's out of battery, and as such I cannot show you it turned on, but you can be rest assured that in a later video you will see this phone turned on. So that's the retro unboxing of the LG KM380. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, peace.